Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to duplicate an image in the same layer in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have an image. I already insert this image or any object. First of all, click the same layer, then select all background or area, then press Ctrl D. Select the move tool, select the object, hold Alt, click and drag it. Or hold Ctrl A for all selection. This press Ctrl H, then again hold Alt, click and drag it. Now we can see this duplicate object the same layer. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.